Thousand Islands Boat Tour. The Thousand Islands constitute a North America archipelago of 1,864 islands that straddles the Canada and US border in the St. Lawrence River as it emerges from the northeast corner of Lake Ontario. They stretch for about 50 miles or 80 kilometers downstream from Kingston, Ontario. The Canadian islands are in the province of Ontario and the United States island in the state of New York. The islands range in size from over 40 square miles to smaller islands occupied by a single residence or uninhabited outcroppings of rocks. To count as one of the Thousand Islands, emerged land within the river channel must have at least 1 square 4 of land above the water level year-round and support at least 2 living trees. The Thousand Islands Archipelago is the outlet of Lake Ontario at the head of the St. Lawrence River. The region is bisected by the Canada and United States border and covers portions of Jefferson and St. Lawrence counties in the United States of New York, in addition to parts of the United Counties of Leeds and Greenville and Frontenac County in the Canadian province of Ontario. Geologically, most of the islands are where a branch of Canadian Shield known as the Thousand Islands Frontenac Arc region runs south across the river to join with Adirondacks. This region was designated a World Biosphere Reserve by UNESCO in 2002. The Thousand Islands Bridge connects New York State and Ontario by traversing Wellesley Island at the northernmost point of Interstate 81 in Jefferson County and meets Highway 137, which leads to Highway 401. The waterfront is served by New York State Roads 12 and 37 and by the Thousand Islands Parkway in Ontario. Ontario also has the waterfront trail alongside the parkway for cyclists who wish to see the area in an alternative way.